Today we have something special here, a Chevy dually. These lights are very expensive to do. They're about triple of what a normal headlight restoration costs. Everything has to be done by hand with these lights, so it's very, very costly. However, these lights are in dire need, and you can see them. This truck was like an 18, but wait till you see the results. Broward County, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach County. Look at these lights, like it rolled off the showroom floor. Look at this. Yes, it's expensive, but this is the way they're supposed to look. 954-302-0769. Call us, text us, send us your pictures. We are mobile. We go out to Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Text us today, 754-302-0769. Thank you.